Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins ngayon guys, ang 500 won coins of South Korea. Mayroong taon na 1984. Share ko sa inyo guys ang napakagandang mga impormasyon tungkol sa baryang ito guys, dahil mayroon din itong napakataas na record sa ating auction. The 500 won coin is a significant denomination in South Korea's currency system. First introduced by Bank of Korea on June 12, 1982 to replace the existing 500 won banknotes. Design and specification. Obverse design features a red crown crane and flight symbolizing longevity and auspiciousness in Korea culture. Reverse display the denomination 500, the issuing authority, Bank of Korea, and the year of minting. Composition with the copper nickel, 75% of copper, 25% of nickel. At may timbang na 7.70 grams. Ang diameter naman ay 26.50 mm. Ang kanyang thickness ay 2.00 mm. May age na rated with 120 reds. 1984 mintage, 1984, the Daejeon Mint produced 70 million coins of this denomination. The historical context. The introduction of the 500 won coin in the 1982 marked a shift in South Korea's monetary system, aiming to enhance the durability and efficiency of the high denomination currency. The coins design featuring the red crown crane reflects the cultural significance and national identity. Collectibility and value. As of current market evaluations, a 1984 500 won coin in uncirculated condition is valued at approximately 0.80 euros. However, values can vary based on factors such as coin condition, rarity, and collector's demand. 500 won coin continues to be an integral part of South Korea's currency, reflecting both the nation's economic development and cultural heritage. Auction record sales February 12, 2020, graded from NGC MS66, sold for $299.99 US dollars. Toncoin finest ang tawag doon guys sa ating record ng ating auction. Umabot ng $299.99 US dollars. At yan guys, ang ating napakagandang impormasyon sa ating barya na 500 won ng South Korea. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.